this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to export small file size in high quality. So what you want to do is click on this export, or if you have selected them, click Ctrl M to open up the export settings. First, of course, give the file a name, so let's just say it's name. Then you have all of these default ones, and what you want to do, it depends on for what you are exporting it. But for example, if you're exporting in YouTube, you have YouTube 4K Ultra HD. So you want to click on that, click OK. Then make sure that it's on AVC, and if I were to expand video, make sure to click on Match Source. From there you want to click on More, and then you want to use Render at maximum depth, use maximum render quality. Tier you want it to be high, hardware software encoding doesn't really matter. And the next important thing is the VBR pass. Now, if you do like 160, you can see that the file size is 38 megabytes. If I set it to like 4, it's only 1 megabyte. If I set it to this, it's 16 megabytes. So the higher this is, the bigger your file will be, but it will also take much longer for you to export the video. Quality, you want it set to highest, which is the slowest, and then just click on export, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.